I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to cast a video from the YouTube app on your Apple iPhone or iPad to your Roku device. The only requirement to do this is that your iPhone, iPad, and Roku devices must be connected to the same wireless network. Step 1. Make sure your Roku is turned on and the YouTube app is installed. If you want to go the extra step, you can go ahead and open the YouTube app on your Roku, but that isn't required. Step 2. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone or iPad and then make sure the video is playing that you want to cast to your Roku device. Step 3. Tap the video to bring up the on-screen menu and then tap the casting icon at the top of this menu. The casting icon looks like a TV screen with a Wi-Fi icon in the lower left corner. A window opens at the bottom of your screen asking you to select a device to cast your YouTube video to. Step 4. Tap the name of your Roku device you want to cast your YouTube video from your iPhone or iPad to. You'll now see a message on your iPhone or iPad that this video is now playing on your Roku. When you look at your Roku, you should now see your YouTube video playing on the screen. You can stop the casting at any time by tapping the casting icon on your iPhone or iPad and then tapping this device in the menu that pops up. Your YouTube video will resume playing in the YouTube app on your iPhone or iPad and will stop playing on your Roku device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.